Hi, I'm Bani, and today joining me is Dr. Anila ma'am from Pratima Medical College.
Yeah.
And we can see her very happy face, and I just met her very proud parents. So all of this is because she scored a beautiful rank in NEET 2025, and I'm glad to have the opportunity to interview ma'am and to get to know about how she was able to do this. So hi ma'am, how are you?
Fine.
First of all, congratulations, hearty congratulations from me and the entire Cerebellum family.
Thank you so much.
Would love to know how you were able to score this beautiful rank in such a short time.
It's my entire journey is basically on BTR ma'am, like Zainab ma'am, and I started like 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, I guess. My first journey was started from like I thought to go for US and like crack USMLE first, and then I thought, and then after that I thought just pass the NEET PG and then we'll go for USMLE. That is what my goal was. So then I took BTR, then only that it's also started at the same time. So I just trusted blindly, and first I thought it's just to pass the exam. That's what my intention was. And I also thought that BTR intention is also like same thing because it's short periods and like it's very concise. So I thought it is also for to pass the exam. College I was a below average student, not
You're
more than
average now.
Yeah, not now, but in college I used to be. So I started with that and I moved on after 6 months by watching those after ENDs and all. I got a good scores, like I moved on with BTR. After 1 year, I got 18,000 rank. I thought of taking radiology from the start, like because of Zainab ma'am only. If I follow BTR again, I can get good score. That is what my goal was. So I left that rank and again I started preparing for NEET PG. And then I got in INICT 2,800.
Wow.
Then also I'm not getting radiology branch, but I want to get radiology branch just because of Zainab ma'am. After 6 months, the NEET was there this August. And then I started like all ENDs. I literally took all the ENDs from 1 to 6. Right now it is 6.0. I took all GTs from her, even from Cerebellum also. When I started, Cerebellum is like, then only it also launched at the same time. I took mock GTs now. It's like drastic improvement. I was like, wow, it's very drastic improvement compared to other platforms. I was like very overwhelmed with that. Then I shifted from BTR to Cerebellum GTs. All GTs, almost like 20 to 30 GTs I gave in Cerebellum. Yeah, it was like very good. So it's so good. Then like they gave all the videos and all. It's very easy. It's very like comfortable for the student.
So what was the reaction like when you had practiced so many tests? You're like thorough with how to now give tests and ace them. So after NEET, what was your first reaction upon seeing the paper? And
I used to write papers of every GT, what are my wrong things and what are my silly mistakes and all. I used to put one paper for every GT. So now when I look back and see those papers, it's like complete entire book.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like entire book of 50 pages like that. It's like very overwhelming for me to see that.
That we can all also learn from this, that we should learn from our mistakes and make sure not to avoid them.
Yes.
And what are your plans now, ma'am? Where are you planning to join?
I'm planning to join in Usmania Medical College for radiology.
We'd love to have you, ma'am. We'd love to have you.
Thank you.
And what kept you motivated throughout this journey?
Watching Zainab ma'am only, I was like inspired entire day. After waking up, I was Zainab ma'am. While sleeping also, I used to keep her audio and I will listen and I will go to sleep.
Okay, all of this dedication
is
I'm
completely addicted to her. I can say that.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks.
One small thing I want to ask you, that all these clinical subjects, surgery, medicine, obs, how were you able to cover these?
Yeah, my advice was like start from concised topics and go beyond that. But don't start from beyond and come to concise thing.
Okay.
Yeah, that will be
And do you think offline classes have played any role in your preparation or?
Yeah. I took offline BTR classes. I even took Govind Rai sir pharma classes offline in Champions batch. It was like awesome, but I thought BTR, so I couldn't actually go for all subjects. But Govind Rai sir classes are like awesome, and I also took Praveen sir classes for psychiatry. Yeah, I watched Praveen sir inspirational videos and all. Yeah, motivational videos. Every time I feel less motivated, there one video will pop up in YouTube.
And just keep you going. So that is something that kept you motivated.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors.